Previously on the Bacon Nation.
Okay, this is not looking good. CCI Uppercut 22 long rifle. Let's see what the velocity is out of our snub nose revolver, our LCR. I'm going to aim at the white space over the left-hand shoulder since this target's already been used. Okay, here we go. Make sure this is... Okay. First shot didn't register. Are we still in super slow-mo mode? We might be in super slow-mo mode. If so, that's... I'm going to try to get 10 on the Doppler. So far, velocity numbers not looking spectacular. Wish I didn't have to kneel down. Okay, that's 10. Let's do 10 of the Federal Punch. Because why not? Doppler's rolling. Okay, over the top right shoulder this time. I'm going to try to crouch down. Ooh, that's hot. And we have 10 on the Doppler.
Out of the 1.87-inch barrel of our snub-nosed LCR, the average velocity for the CCI Uppercut was 916 feet per second for 59.6 foot-pounds of energy. The Federal Punch, with its 29-grain lead flat-point projectile out of the same LCR, had an average velocity of 1,198 feet per second for 92.4 foot-pounds of energy. Putting those numbers side by side, we can see that even though the Federal Punch is only 3 grains lighter compared to our Uppercut ammo, it is significantly faster in the velocity and approaching double the average energy. But wait, there's more.
Maybe you're like me and you're just thinking to yourself, maybe that Uppercut is really designed for something like an 8-inch barrel. This is a handgun. We're at the handgun bay. It's a handgun. I'm not gonna really use the sight because we're using it like a handgun. Here we go. Ugh. I think the range might have gone cold on us, but it functioned. Look at that. Better than anything before. I don't normally shoot the 22X this fashion, but because we're at the handgun bay and I want to reinforce it's a handgun, okay. So far, the Uppercut ammo actually works halfway decent out of the 15-22 pistol. I would say as far as semi-auto 22 long rifle self-defense ammo between the Federal Punch and the CCI Uppercut, neither one has worked in my quote shorter barreled semi-autos, but they both seem to work just fine out of something like this 1522 that you at least wouldn't have as a concealed carry firearm unless you're maybe shack sized. Okay, I only loaded 9 that time because my box had an oddball number in it. Okay, we have one more we're going to do for its and giggles. Okay, this is more of the funsies part of the day. 10 more. CCI Uppercut. This one is for all those people on the inner tubes who think that you can't hit squat without the sights. They think sights are these magical things that make bullets go where you want them to go and easier to hit your target. We're going to show them how wrong they are. Welcome to Wrongsville, Wrongington members of the internet. I'm going to aim at that left hand orange silhouette. I'm not going to use the iron sights. We're going to keep them folded down. I'm going to aim using instinct and the power of positive thinking. Here we go. Okay, we'll count it up. I know I hit it at least 5 times, so take that, internet. I should say wrong town, Wrongsville. It's time to snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Out of our snub-nose LCR. As expected, reliability for both the uppercut ammo and the punch ammo has been 100%. We should get better reliability out of a revolver compared to a semi-auto, and we do. When it comes to velocity, again, out of our snub-nose revolver, the velocity of the CCI Uppercut was fairly close to what's printed on the box, but when compared against the Federal Punch ammo, the number is very anemic. A difference of what we'll call 36 foot-pounds of energy for a snub-nosed 22 long rifle revolver, that's huge. And if we segue to our 1522 results for a moment, what started out as a for funsies project yielded some unexpectedly useful results. Adding 6 inches of barrel finally yielded performance from the uppercut ammo that was on par, shall we say, with the punch out of a snub-nosed revolver. After 2 videos and tests through 3 different handguns, the temptation is to say the uppercut ammo appears to be mostly marketing fluff. At least with something like that Hornady anti-zombie ammo years ago that was overpriced, it was green-tipped critical defense. With the uppercut 22 ammo, the reliability and velocity numbers both leave much to be desired, and I won't be buying it as a self-defense round or in general in the future. But that's just me. What about you? Are you a fan of the uppercut ammo and does it work great in your 22 handgun? Or are you someone who has been similarly let down by it thus far? Let us know in the comments. And that seems like the perfect spot to end today's video. If you enjoyed today's presentation and like it, share it with your friends and family, maybe drop a comment on there. Those things are free and they really help the channel greatly. If you'd like to help us make more of these videos in the future, look into becoming a member. Fred and I really appreciate you getting this far. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice night.
Now I'm going to need all of you in the Bacon Nation to have a seat right over there.
Did I get it? Yeah.
10 yards.
I'm thankful for you. I appreciate everything you do. So stay safe, stay healthy. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see you on the TV. And, take care of Fred McCoy when you can. You know what he